Do you remember Hypotenuse AI? I made a video about it, I think more or less 1 year ago or something more. Anyway, they released some interesting news and I want to show you in this video what they implemented lately in their AI tool. This has been one of the first AI tools with real-time data, with SERP info in your articles, but now they have a specific pro plan for SEOs, for SEO agencies, and not only, even for e-commerce brands, as you can see here. And I'm curious to explore it with you today in this video. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm in this Hypotenuse AI dashboard. I want to show you how this new Pro Blog SEO mode works. And in order to do this, I need to create a blog article, but very quickly, this is the dashboard. As you can see here, you have some different templates for blog, social networks, and other general templates, ads, site, and so on. You have a section dedicated to product description. If you sell products, you have the bulk generator to generate many articles at a time. You have Hypo Chat, something similar to ChatGPT, where you can chat with AI and you can also upload files. And you have Hypo Art. Here is where you can generate AI images. This is the documents section, and as I said, I will show you this blog article. Okay, what I like about Hypotenuse AI is that it's really easy to generate an article because you just need to follow all this process, all these steps. And here we have a content brief, so we can instruct AI on our article, and we also have knowledge. Here you can upload your documents. I think you can upload one document or add one link or one live feed. If you work in team, you also have a team knowledge. So here is where you can upload your files, your documents, so AI can use information taken by these documents and links. Okay, let's try to generate a sample blog article using this SEO Pro Mode. I can click on this try example, so I can have an example of what we can create, a beginner's guide on how to get started with cryptocurrency trading. This guide should cover basics and explain cryptocurrency and so on. So obviously here is where you explain what you want to write with this blog article. You can write whatever you want here, and you can be even specific, very specific. Now, this is the SEO Pro Mode. In order to use this, you need the specific Pro plan, and I'll show you later the price and so on. But here, now I have a main keyword, cryptocurrency trading for beginners. If you don't like this automatic keyword, you can get rid of it and write your own specific keyword, up to 5 keywords. You can choose the country, in this case, let's say US. You can choose the tone, so conversational, I think it's good, and you can choose the length of the article. Let's keep this. I also have some advanced customization. I can choose if I want the article to be in the first person, second person, third person, and if you want, you can describe your audience, or describe your brand, or describe your product or service if you write something about it. These fields are not mandatory, so I think I will just use this info. And now I can generate titles. I can choose the number of titles to generate. Let's keep 4. So as you can see, it's a very easy to use platform because you have all step by step. And here are my 4 title ideas. If you want, you can write your own title by clicking here. And I think I will use this one because I like short titles. Next step is to click here on Create Outline. Okay, this is a very important step because here you can see many of the infos will be used in your article. So this is my keyword, this is the people also ask section, so I can decide to include some of these people also ask questions in my article, in my outline. As you can see here, I have a little button add to outline, and here I have my SERP analysis. So Hypotenuse AI went on the SERP, found some articles about my topic. I have the ranking here, the length of the article, the links they have, the headings they have, and I can watch for all their sections in order to have a better idea of what the competitor wrote about this same topic. All this article has been used to generate my outline. You can add headings manually if you want. You can also click on this plus button, and here you can add key points, as you can see. So here you can add them manually, or in this case they are here by default or automatically. And then you also can click on this icon, and as you can see, Content Detective will research key talking points from top web results for this heading. So by clicking here, I will find now some more infos. Okay, so these are my talking points with sources. Even here you can add them manually if you want. And I just noticed some of these people also ask questions are already in my outline. As you can see, how much do I need to start crypto trading? And here it is, how much money do you need to start crypto trading? Which is best for beginners? This is another of these questions here. Let me try to add this one. Let me see where it goes. And it goes here as a section. I was just trying to place it here, but it seems I can't. So if I want to use these questions as a talking point here, I need to copy and paste it here and get rid of this. Anyway, you can use these other people also ask questions and include them here. If you don't like what you see here, you can regenerate from SERP by clicking this button. Okay, so let's say I'm ready to generate this article. The next button is here, and this is the final step before the official generation. As you can see, I can review my outline here. And again, this is a very important step. You can choose if you want a conclusion, if you want an introduction, and here is where you can include factual research and hyperlink sources. You need to switch on this switch, and you can manage links to include, because maybe you only want some kind of links. Let's say you choose some specific sites to link to, or you don't want some specific links, for example, your competitors' links. You don't want your article to link to your competitors. You can define it here by including your competitors' URLs if you want. Okay, so this is the Generate Article button. Let's go. Hypotenuse AI is writing my introduction, and now it's pulling statistics from the web, it's searching for real-time data to generate my article. So let's wait just a few seconds. Okay, now I have my article. As you can see here, it's near to 2000 words, and automatically I have this SEO section with an SEO score, where it says I need some improvements. I have my words count, my H2s count, Based on my competitors, in this case it's saying I need some more. I have 19 links, and again I have an SEO checklist with some suggestions, and I also have some keywords I may want to include in my article. I can highlight all issues with this switch. And I have some other different options here. I have a plagiarism checker, I have find internal links. If you want, you can set up your website and you can automatically include internal links with Hypotenuse AI. You have export options, and these are your export formats: PDF, doc, HTML, text with Markdown, WordPress, or you can even export directly to Webflow if you use this tool to publish your website. Then you have another turn into option here, where you can transform your blog article into an Instagram post, a LinkedIn post, or to generate a meta description. You can obviously share with your team or with your clients. And again, here is the SEO helper. But let's take a very quick look at this article. As you can see, you have some links here. So the introduction, my different section, I have some links. So in this case, the link is this management library. And this is a beginner's guide, so I have many specific instructions. Let's check this other link. This is the Binance Academy, so as you can see, it's finding very good and authoritative links. Obviously, if you want, while I scroll this article, you can stop the video and read it all, so you can see the quality. You have different strategies for the bold. I quite like the structure of this article and the subsection titles it's using, because there is no fluff writing, but it's straight to the point. The basics, getting set up, executing trades, how to get started with understanding the basics, choose a reputable exchange, find your account and make your first purchase, develop a trading strategy, secure your cryptocurrencies, and then we have a step-by-step guide, get started, found your account, research the market, and so on. With another section here, is cryptocurrency trading profitable? This was one of the people also asked questions, and here we have a very structured answer to this question, the risk factor, and the other sections. We have the FAQ section, including something about taxes, referred to US, obviously, because this was my target country, and we have this conclusion. As always, if you don't like something about the article, as it happens with many others AI writing tools, you can change and edit whatever you want, because if I select this section, this conclusion, for example, I have a commands section, and here I can choose whatever I want, keep writing, create list, add an example, develop subheadings, weight pros and cons, transition between ideas, call to action, improve. And I think you can also write your own command here. If I write make it shorter, it generated a bullet list in this case, but this is just an example. You can accept, replace, discard. You can simplify, shorten, expand, rephrase. You have many options. So let's keep the original one. Let's try to generate a list here. Create list. And here it is, you have a list format. In this case, I can accept. So here is where you can edit your article. You can go here on these hypo art and generate images if you want, and include them in your article before exporting it maybe directly to WordPress or Webflow. So far so good. What I would like to see here is an automatic SEO section. So as you can see, there is a place for improvement here, so it would not be bad to have an automatically SEO improver, so something that automatically can include missing keywords or fixing these suggestions here. You can anyway do something of these improvements, I think, by clicking here, include cryptocurrency trading for beginners in the first 100 words. I can click and highlight the issue, and I can click on this plus button, add a suggestion to article. So now it's writing something more, including these cryptocurrency trading for beginners. And again, I can accept if I want. And now my SEO score has gone to 72%. Now I should get rid of this old introduction because I have the new one, and that's it. Here is how you can generate a pretty good blog article, SEO focused, with real-time data, with external links, authoritative external links, pretty well structured, and then obviously it depends if you like this kind of workflow and if you like the kind of article. You obviously can use different tone of voices depending on your niche, but anyway, I think this is a good tool to try if you work on blog articles and SEO. But again, in order to use this SEO Pro feature, you need the specific plan. So let's go to the official site of Hypotenuse AI, and obviously if you want to try it, you can click on the link in the description, or if you want to purchase it, again, the link is in the description. And here you can request a demo or try it for free. Let's go to the pricing page, and here you find the first difference, because you have different plans for marketing and SEO and for e-commerce, because here you have some more specific features. And in this marketing and SEO, you have an entry-level plan for $19 monthly if you pay annually, but if you pay monthly, it's $29. So let's keep these prices. This is obviously for solo bloggers, so you have all the blog standard features, one seat, CMS integrations, chat, art to generate images, and so on. You can try this for free. You can also try this essential one. You have more words you can generate in 1 month. Plus, you have the plagiarism check, the unlimited hypo chat. You have the premium quality for images. And if you want the SEO Pro mode, you need to go for one of these plans, the Blog Pro, for example, with 3 seats, SEO Pro mode, real-time factual research. You can generate AI tables, automatic internal and external hyperlinks. If you have a big team, this is the plan for you. And in this case, you can request for a trial here. I know you can think these prices are maybe a little bit higher than some other tools, but it really depends what you think is the quality and your satisfaction with your articles, if you have a team, if you have an agency, and so on. And the only way to really find it out is to try it, to see if it's good for you, because when we are talking about professional SEO blog articles, what really matters is quality and precision and good statistics and data, and you can't just think about the price. And that's it. This is the new update for Hypotenuse AI with the SEO Pro blog mode. I hope you found this video useful, and if so, as always, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching until now, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next days with another video.